In this demo, we're going to look at how to change the look and feel of Salesforce. You can customize the way Salesforce looks for your organization, from the way each tab is set up, to the additional features like hovers and floating headers. Knowing how to customize the way Salesforce looks to your organization will help you find the optimal setup for you and your colleagues. Let's get started. We'll click Setup, and in the Build section, click Customize. Any changes you make here will affect all users in your Salesforce org. And because these changes affect everyone at your company using Salesforce, you must have administrator privileges to make these changes. The User Interface section is where you can enable or disable features that affect how the Salesforce UI appears and functions for your users. You can disable hover links or enable inline editing. You can enable the new user interface theme, which is required if you want to enable chatter. The enhanced profile interface organizes profile permissions and settings with a quick find box, an assigned users feature, and more. The improved setup user interface lets you and your users easily manage customized settings in Salesforce. This is the setup used in this demo. These are just a few of the settings you can change for the user interface. You can also change which fields appear on a record, and in which order, by editing the page layout. To change the page layout for any object, in the Customize section, click the object you want to change. We'll click Contacts, then Page Layouts. Let's add the Do Not Call field to the standard contact layout. We'll click Edit, and then drag the Do Not Call field onto the page. And click Save. Then, we'll check the field level security to make sure that field is visible to the profiles that need to see it. And then go to the Contacts tab. We'll open a contact, and we can see that the Do Not Call field was added to the page layout. All users that are assigned this page layout will now see this field when they go to a contact record. Now let's go to the Administrator Setup section. This is where you administer Salesforce. So you use this section to add new users, change user profiles, and change key company information like your language or time zone. Let's click on Company Profile, then Company Information, and we'll click Edit to see how to change some of this information. We can easily change the address of our company, the time zone, and even the language Salesforce is displayed in. When we're done making changes, we have to save. And that's a quick overview of how you can change the look and feel of Salesforce. For more information, search for the following topics in Salesforce Help. And thanks for using Salesforce.